this? 1, 2, 3. High five, Miguel. And huwag mo sisirain mo. That's what is going to happen. Hold the magic wand and perform the part of the night. Huwag mo yung sisirain. Ha? Is something wrong? Ay, nakakapit ka naman! Okay! Ikaw naman! Watch. I'm going to fix the one. If I can fix the one, clap your hands. Ready? Everybody say magic! See? This will be fixed. Wait, one more. One more. Everybody say magic! See? This will be... Oh, work again. One more. Everybody say magic! See? Yes! High five again. Magic, magic.